Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I was going to make a video about Tesla right now, but NIO earnings just came out, and yeah, they tanked after hours, so, and it's looking okay. Let's jump right into TradingView here. I have the NIO chart pulled up. So NIO was doing really well today. They were up at one point about 9%, and then 2:30, 3:30 rolled around or so, like 2:30, 3 o'clock. And then boom, this is like a 4 or 5% drop right here. And then it dropped a little bit before correcting back up to $48. And then earnings came out and it just sunk, okay? So this was a big correction after earnings, but let's go over earnings. Let's see how NIO did this past quarter. They were pretty much in line with expectations, okay? So expectations were good for NIO, and like we already talked about in yesterday's video, they delivered 12,206 cars, which is a nice increase from last year. They bumped their margin up by to 14.5% in the third quarter, which is crazy. That's super awesome, from 8.2% last quarter. So that's really good. Also, they had sales of total revenues. Here we go. Total revenues of, this is an unlucky number, 666. So many sixes. I saw somebody comment on that when I was jumping around on the web. So yeah, they did have a revenue beat of 146.4%. It wasn't the 160% that I was hoping for, but it's still a good quarter for NIO. So why the reaction? Why is NIO down right now like it is? Well, it dropped all the way down to $42 per share, and now it's back up to 46. So yeah, there's something going on here. There's, maybe the institutions are trying to push the bears out right now. I don't know. So we'll see. Overall, the stock is up 2% from yesterday's dip, but it's doing pretty well. So let me know, guys. Let me know down in the comments below. A lot of you were saying, let's buy NIO. Let's ride it to the moon. Some of you were saying, no, I don't buy before earnings. No way. Or just hold off. It's going to drop. So I'm impressed with NIO's performance over the last few days. I'm impressed with NIO's performance after the Citron research report came out, dogging them and saying that they're only worth $25 per share. I'm impressed with NIO's third quarter 2020 earnings report. They did have a net loss of $154 million, but that was a decrease of 58% from the third quarter last year. So I don't know. I really like the numbers coming out of NIO right now. I still have to look through this this report with you guys. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do a more in-depth look at NIO. But I wanted to get this video out for you guys because I'm impressed. I'm impressed with how NIO is doing. They just dropped below $46 right now, but we'll see. If NIO can hold its own after hours right now and stay around $46, I think they're going to have a really good day tomorrow. I really do. I really think they're going to have a good day, and I think they're going to jump back up to around 50. If the stock drops below $40 per share, it's going to be tough. I think then there's more room for it to go down, potentially back down into the low 30s. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for NIO. If it does drop anywhere near the low 30s into the high 20s, something like that, I will be buying NIO. If tomorrow it starts trading above $50, I'll probably jump in for a swing trade because I think there's more momentum in this stock and just the EV space in general. So that's where I'm at. I wanted to make a quick video about NIO for you guys real quick. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do a more in-depth look at the earnings report after I finish doing some reading here. And look forward for another Tesla video today where I talk about the S&P 500 and what that means potentially for some of the other stocks with rebalancing in the S&P 500. So thank you so much for joining me. As always, if you didn't already do it, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.